The following video outlines the correct assembly process for the RAUPIANO Plus acoustic and trade waste drainage system. This video is intended as a guide only to be used in conjunction with the RAUPIANO Plus installer guide and technical information. AS/NZS 3500 must always be considered when installing drainage systems in Australia and New Zealand. Step 1. Cutting the pipe. The pipe can be cut with a row cut pipe cutting tool or a manual or automatic saw. Ensure the cut is straight and free from burrs or sharp edges. Step 2. Deburring and chamfering. Deburr the inner circumference of the pipe with the deburring tool, then chamfer the outer edge with a chamfering tool or soft disc grinder. Step 3. Insertion. Clean any dirt from the sealing ring, socket interior and pipe end. Apply a small amount of lubricant to the pipe end and socket O-ring and fully insert the pipe into the socket. Step 4. Witness mark. Mark the pipe against the socket edge to identify the fully inserted position. For pipes greater than 500 mm, pull the pipe back out 10 mm to allow for thermal expansion. This is not required for shorter pipes, fittings, or in-ground installations. This concludes the assembly video for the RAUPIANO Plus acoustic and trade waste drainage system. For further information, check out the training content on myrehau.com, which includes more videos, technical information and installation guides. For on-site training, contact your local REHAU representative.